In the afternoon, we get up into the low to even some mid-20s in the afternoon. Here comes the snow late tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening, getting into the metro after about 6 o'clock. But look at the temperatures. We're in the upper teens and low 20s while this is happening. So this is going to be a cold, dry, powdery snow. That'll last Saturday evening and Saturday night. As we get into the overnight, we start getting that sleet, the ice pellets. That starts working from south to north, getting up to the Tri-Cities, and it'll probably be into Richmond by daybreak Sunday. We see a long period of sleet, ice pellets, and then we start to see that change over to freezing rain in far southern Virginia. That transition presses farther north and maybe warm enough near the coast later in the day into on Sunday for that to change to plain rain. But most of this is going to be either sleet or freezing rain most of the day on Sunday, and this is going to last into the afternoon as well. And the temperatures may get above freezing later in the afternoon near the coast, but the rest of us will stay in the 20s to around 30 degrees. This lasts into Sunday evening, the freezing rain, and then finally starts to move out Sunday night into Monday morning. By the time all is said and done, snowfall wise, up to 4 inches right up to the Tri-Cities. A lot of the metro and points north, about 4 to 8 inches of snow before it changes over. And then farther north and west, at least 8 inches of snow, but we'll have some spots, especially far north and west, that see a foot or more before that changes to sleet and even some freezing rain up there. This is a plot of ice accumulation. Anywhere where you see the light blue, that's a ½ inch of ice. So this is going to kind of beat some of our previous ice storms within the last few years. And where you see some of this darker blue, that's about 3/4 of an inch of ice. So especially south of I-64, this is going to get pretty bad. So we could have a historic ice storm on our hands on Sunday and a Sunday night. So we may be without power in your area possibly for Sunday, and it may take a few days to get the power back. Look at the temperatures next week. Highs in the 20s to around 30, overnight lows in the teens, even down close to 0 north and west Tuesday morning. So if you're without power Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, it's going to be bitterly cold. We may get a few flurries on Wednesday, and we get into low to mid 30s. Another shot of cold air as we lead into next weekend.